Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register into the Khaliji Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.alkhaliji.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Khaliji Bank opens up on your screen, you'll see three options on your screen. Click on the to access personal internet banking option. Once you click on the personal internet banking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, find the register here button and click on it. Once you click on the register button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your account number here, your ID number here, your mobile number here, your date of birth here, your username here. You'll have to tick on the accept terms and fill in this code exactly as it is, and then click on submit. Once you click on the submit button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to register into the Khaliji Bank. I hope this video helped you to register into the Khaliji Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.